So one of the features of the app is the ability to download all of our data and maps onto your device so that you don't need an active connection to view the information. So you can be in a remote location and still view the information in our directory. Now to start using that, I'm going to tap on Me in the bottom right, and then I'm going to tap on Offline Content. Now please take some time to read the information in here. It will definitely help you in trying to understand how all of this works. But what we're going to do, your first step, is you're going to tap on Offline Maps, and from here this is where you can download each set of maps state by state. Now as you can see, I've downloaded the ACT, Queensland and Tasmania, but all you have to do is just simply, if you've got a down arrow, tap on one of the down arrows and that will start downloading those maps states straight away, and you'll see the information's coming down now. Now as you can see, I've got a tick there with New South Wales, so now I can access the offline maps for these particular states. Now I'm going to click the back arrow, and I'll click the back arrow again. Now what we have here on this page, so this page here is accessed by tapping the Me. You'll see this option here that has offline mode. Now often when we're traveling, we can be in locations where we have a very weak signal. And sometimes what the app will try and do is, if it detects that you do have a signal, it will try and use that signal instead of using the offline maps. Now that may give the user a poor experience, but if you know that you've downloaded the offline maps in certain areas and you know that you might have a weak connection, by toggling this switch here, you're telling the app, do not use my Wi-Fi and do not use my data, just use the information that I have downloaded. That forces the app to go into offline mode, and then you can start accessing the information via the downloaded information that you've already got from our website. So that's what the offline mode means. Now if I toggle that back off, I'm now telling the app, use my current data or use the Wi-Fi that I'm connected to. So that's how you would use the offline caching or the offline maps inside the app.